How to check email in Binance. This tutorial shows you how to view your registered email address in your Binance account on your Android device. First, open the Binance application on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, the menu will slide out from the left. Tap on your profile name or avatar at the top of the menu. Your account information page will open. Look for email or email address in the account details section. Your registered email will be displayed there. Moving forward, you can also check it through Settings. Go back and tap on the gear icon for Settings. Scroll down and tap on Security or Account Security. Tap on Email Verification or Email Address. Afterwards, your registered email will be shown on this page. If you want to change your email, tap on Change Email. Binance will guide you through the verification process. You'll need to verify both your old and new email addresses. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you check email in Binance, give it a like, subscribe for more Binance tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.